Hi, I'm Lizzie, and if you're watching this video, that means that it's the 18th of October, which also means that it's Friday, which also means that it's my birthday! Whoop whoop! Mandatory dance party engaged.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look on and show me love when you sound like Eminem and the hub.
And I mean, really, all I want is 3 simple things.
Love, money, party.
You saw in my previous video that I've already taken a look back into the past this week. But since it's my birthday, I wanted to look back onto the rest of my life and see what my thoughts were as a little child and how they've changed into the grown adult that I am today. So let's go through some of my old school papers. A fall picture. It's a turkey above me. Different colors are leaves falling and 1 purple grape and 1 green grape. So this part is me right here. And this is the turkey above me? I don't know why he's above me. These are the falling leaves and a grape and another grape. 1 of each colored grape. Yeah, that's it. That'll capture the essence of fall. The teacher comments on my KinderCare progress report are as follows. Work continues to be great, tends to boss others, and calls out in class. That's ridiculous and does not sound like me at all. Shut up. April 2001. Imagine you could follow a rainbow to its end. What would you see? I would see the color purple at the end of a rainbow. Very literal. What do you like best about your school? I like the homework best in my school. If you were going to send a message in a bottle, what would your message say? If I were to send a message in a bottle, it would say, I love my mom! What will you miss the most about 1st grade? I will miss Mrs. Wood the most because she makes us do homework. That's what I like about her. If you could change anything about the 1st grade, what would it be? I would change something like telling the teacher when I want to go home, she would let me go home. So I could do more homework, apparently. What would you do if your friend was playing with matches? I would say, put those matches! Or I would call my mom. Not put those matches down. I would just say, put those matches! Eee! My birthday? October 18th. Things I like to do. Make stuff. Watch TV. Play a lot. What kind of stuff do I make? I have no idea. My favorite foods? Pizza, hamburger, ice cream. Literally my entire diet, still to this day. This one is titled Families. Families are loving, caring, and maybe sometimes mean. I love my family and my family loves me. Classes are like families, teachers are, and friends are. I'm sure everybody has at least one family. Families are as sweet as sugar. At least that's what I think. The end. I never really learned how much glue to use. If you've ever wanted to learn all about me, here's your chance. NSYNC, me, Lava Lamp, Horse, Mac and Cheese, Power Rangers, 2 things of Power Rangers, Powerpuff Girls, many M&Ms, an art easel, Pop-Tarts, and this chair. And here we have a progress report from the 3rd grade saying that I read at a level equal to that of a typical 5th grader after the 4th month of the school year. Booyah! I found a birthday card! Signed by my entire class! I was that cool. Just kidding, I was not cool at all. Who did this for me? Probably Kaylee. In 7th grade we had to create a Texas Revolutionary Diary where we wrote as if we were a person going through the Revolutionary War. Dear Diary, I have a feeling something's going to happen, but not really. I guess I wrote about her shaving her hair off. I actually put hair in here. Also in 7th grade, we had these things called hums. We were just supposed to make a project about anything that we were passionate about and present it. So of course, I did Steve Irwin. Everything I did in school, I used Comic Sans. Yeah, I was one of those kids. Steve teaches us that we should never give up on the things we love to do. He loved animals and everyone could tell through the attitude and work he put into the cause. It doesn't seem that we can change the world now, but Steve started when he was only 9, catching crocs with his dad. Yes, he had been lucky that his parents owned a zoo, but he worked his way up. We too can change the world by not letting people put us down and believing in ourselves. Here's my works cited page. YouTube. Yahoo/image search. Australia Zoo. And a special thanks to my brain. Yeah, brain. Thanks for sticking around and reliving my past with me. The best birthday gift you guys can give me is to like this video and subscribe to my channel and send it around, because I liked to include a lot of people in my life for some reason. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!